Welcome back. Continuing to Modi method. This question we were discussed using VAM. So I am taking this question itself for simplifying, finding the optimal solution using Modi method. This is the initial basic feasible solution after applying VAM. Now I am finding as first step in Modi method, finding a set of UI and Vj values. So in fourth row there is most number of allocations, so taking u4 equal to 0, and by using this u4 it's v4 equal to 2, sorry v3 equal to 2, v2 equal to 6 and v1 equal to 1. Using this v1, it's u1 equal to 1, that is 2 minus 1, 1. Then using this v3 equal to 2, it's u2 equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1. Then using this v2 is u3 equal to 4 minus 6, that is minus 2. I am finding a set of UI and Vj values. Now I am going to find a set of Wij values for the unoccupied cell. For this cell, the Wij is 7 minus of 1 plus 6, that is for W12 7 minus of 1 plus 6, that is 0. So W2 equal to 0. Sorry, W12 equal to 0. Here 4 minus of 1 plus 2, that is 1. Here 3 minus of minus 1 plus 1. So answer is 3. Here 3 minus of minus 1 plus 6. So the answer is minus 2. Here 5 minus of minus 2 plus 1. The answer is 6. Here 7 minus of minus 2 plus 2. The answer is 7. So I have find out a set of Wij value. Check. AllWij's are greater than 0? No. There is a 0 and there is a negative Wij. So we need to go for step 4 in the Modi method. See, we got a negative Wij. Step 4 is choose the unoccupied cell with the smallest Wij and mark theta in it. Draw a closed path consisting of horizontal and vertical lines beginning and ending at the theta cell, having its other corners at the allocated cells. If there is same Wij, choose the one with minimum Cij values. Okay. Theta is the minimum of allocation from where theta is to be subtracted. So this is a cell having negative Wij. Okay. So here we need to put theta. Here we need to put theta. If there is more than one negative value, we need to choose the lowest Wij. Okay. If there is two cells having minus 2, we need to choose this cell which having the lowest cost value. If here also minus 2, then check the cost value and take the lowest cost cell. Okay. So we write theta here. Then we need to find a closed curve starting from this theta cell and ending at this theta cell, and the corners of the path should be in the occupied cells. It should be in the occupied cells. The closed path should be using horizontal and vertical lines. So it can be a square, it can be a rectangle like this, or it can be a shape like this also. Only condition is its corners should be in the occupied cell. Its corners should be in the occupied cell. Occupied cell means the cell having allocations. Corner should be in the occupied cell. Okay. So I am finding a path starting from this theta. Look at this. This is a closed path. So I am drawing the path like this. Okay, starting from theta and ending at theta. Now here it is plus theta. Then in the clockwise, next corner is minus theta. Here it is plus theta. Here it is minus theta. Clockwise, in the clockwise direction you can write the cell having minus negative Wij, it is plus theta. Then next clockwise corner is minus theta, plus theta, minus theta. If it is like that, plus theta, minus theta, plus theta, minus theta, plus theta, minus theta, closed path. Okay. Then theta is equal to minimum of these allocations, that is the corner path, corner cells allocation. In this closed path, we get the corner cell. This is the first allocation 8. This is another corner cell. Here the allocation is 10. This is another corner cell. Here the allocation is 2. Theta is minimum of 8, 10, 2. Which is the minimum value? 2. So theta is 2. So we need to add theta here, which means here we should give an allocation, that is 2. Here from the existing allocation we need to subtract theta. Here in the existing allocation we need to add theta. Here we need to subtract theta. So I am writing the revised table here. Here we need to add theta. So here we need to give an allocation 2. Here the allocation is given as 2. From this allocation we need to subtract theta. 8 minus 2 is 6. From here we need to add. So become 12. Here we need to subtract, that is 2 minus 2, 0. So no allocation. So it become an unoccupied cell. Here there is no change. The remaining these two cells having no change. So I write the same values here. Now we need to check whether it is optimal or not. Before that, look at this. There is no change in the column constraints and row constraint. The supply was 5, 8, 7, 14 and demand was 7, 9, 18. Now the revised table, 5 plus 2, 7, 2 plus 7, 9, 6 plus 2, 18. Here 6 plus 2, 8, 7 there is, 12 plus 2, 14, there is no change. Since we have subtracted theta from here, we add theta here. So its demand, there is no change. Since we have added 2 here, there is a unoccupied cell occupied here. So there is no change in the rim requirements here. Now we need to find a set of Ui and Vj values similar to the previous method, Modi method problems. Most number of allocation there is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So we can take any one of value. I am taking U4 as equal to 0. U4 equal to 0. So V3 equal to 2 and V1 equal to 1. Since V1 equal to 1, U1 equal to 2 minus 1, 1. Then V3 equal to 2, U2 equal to 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. Since U2 equal to minus 1, V2 equal to 3 minus minus 1, that is 4. Since it is 4, our u3 equal to 4 minus 4, 0. So I find out a set of ua and vj value. Now I need to find out set of wij values for the unoccupied cell. Okay, for this unoccupied cell, wij equal to cij minus ua plus vj. 7 minus 1 plus 4, 2. 4 minus of 1 plus 2, 1. 3 minus of minus 1 plus 1, 4. Sorry, 3. Then 5 minus of 0 plus 1, 4. Here 7 minus of 0 plus 2, 5. Here 6 minus of 0 plus 4. So answer is 2. Check all WH values are greater than 0. Since all Wij greater than 0, the solution is optimal. The solution is optimal, and transportation cost is equal to 5 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 6 into 1 plus 7 into 4 plus 2 into 1 plus 12 into 2. So answer is rupees 76, and transportation schedule is, this was F1, F2. Okay, F1 to W1 5 units, then F2 to W2 2 units, and F2 to W3 6 units, F3 to W2 7 units, F4 to W1 2 unit, and F4 to W3 12 units. I think you all understand about this Modi method.